Hey guys, what is going on? Just another gamer here real quick, and I just wanted to talk about something real simple, real easy, something I see a lot of people on YouTube asking questions about, something I see a lot of people Google searching about. That is how to grow your channel in 2018. Now, obviously, I do not have the largest channel. I don't have a big channel. I just, I do what I can. I upload when I can. But some tips and tricks that I have seen other YouTubers use, large YouTubers, and taking a compilation of what they have used and what they've done and putting it all together. So let's get started. Just 8 quick little talking points here. It's going to be a short video. Hopefully you'll get some good ideas from it. So here we go. Number one, just create something. Anything that comes to your mind, anything that's in your head. If you've got an idea, put it down on paper, then put it on film. Record it. It doesn't matter what it is. You've got to start by just filming. Just start recording. Just do it. Number two, you got to find your audience. That is probably the hardest thing to do on here. Finding your audience can always be very tough. Once you start getting to where, you've got 40, 50, 60 videos, you're going to start to discover who your core audience is. That is who you want to cater to on a regular basis. Find that core audience. Number three, this is what hurts small YouTubers the most, and it's hurt myself for quite some time now. But don't compare yourself to others. Don't look at other YouTubers and consistently compare yourself to them. Well, they have this many subscribers. Well, they have this many followers on Twitch. They have this. Stop it. Don't do that. That's going to do nothing but put negativity in your brain and distract you from your creative process. Don't do it. Don't just stay away from comparing yourself to other YouTubers. That's the worst thing you can do for your channel. Number four, be consistent. Being consistent is a different definition in everybody's mind. For some people, that's upload once a day. For some people, it's upload once every 2 days. Some people, it's upload once every week. Find out what your consistency level is. Now, you don't want to be one of those people that only uploads once every month or once every 2 months. My personal recommendation, what I have found best, is try to upload at least twice a week. Make those uploads on the same day if you possibly can. Even I don't stick to that because I have been getting more into live streaming here lately. But you've got to have some sort of consistency in your videos and your uploads. Once you've taken the steps above, you just create something, you found your audience, you stop comparing yourself to others, then start being consistent with your uploads. That is key. Give your audience something to look forward to every few days. Number five, interact with your audience. That is so important. I see so many YouTubers. I look at these videos, whether it's a big YouTuber, a small YouTuber, somebody just starting out, and they don't interact with their audience. You've got to interact with your audience. If they take the time, if they take a minute to comment on your video, hey, good job. Hey, I really like this video. Take a moment to get back and say thanks. It's not that hard. They took 5, 10, 15 minutes out of their day to watch your video. Take 30 seconds to reply to their comment. It'll make them feel good. It'll keep them coming back to your channel. It may spark a conversation within your comments. That's even better. Number six, work with what you've got. Don't worry about buying the most expensive gear out there. I'm sitting here, I'm recording this on a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 with a cheap eBay microphone that I got for like 10 bucks on a mediocre gaming PC is what I'm editing. Don't sit there and worry about buying a $5,000 SLR and a $1,000 microphone and, spending 10 grand on a PC with the most expensive editing software out there. Just work with what you've got. Most of the time you can edit your own video on your phone and upload it directly from your phone. Don't even need a computer if you're just doing a basic, simple vlog. Don't get tied up in the money game. And finally, the last tip that I've got is create what you enjoy. Don't be forced. Don't sit there and look like you're just miserable on camera all the time. Some people say that I do, but that's just my demeanor. That's just, my mannerisms, everything that I've got. I just don't look like a happy person most of the time. My voice is just not an upbeat and happy voice. But I am happy, and I do enjoy every time I get to make a video or do a live stream. You've got to be happy with what you're doing. If you're not happy, you're not going to succeed. If you're not happy, your viewers can tell that you're not happy. Just be happy. If you're not happy, YouTube just may not be for you. So, like I said, this was just a real short, real quick video. I wanted to give the tips that I have found from all the big YouTubers, from the small YouTubers that are growing, the things that I have found, and put them all in one place for you guys. If you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming by. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that little bell down below for a notification. Check out all the links in my description. Check out my gear, and let's have fun. Let's create something. YouTube is an open field. YouTube is for anybody. So let's just get on there and let's create some videos. Guys, again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll talk to you again next time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.